Signeasy is the easiest way to prepare, sign, and store contracts without the complexity of CLM. Prepare and send contracts in minutes. Start with a reusable template. Roles, fields, attachments, and the signing order are all pre-filled, so you can send contracts faster with fewer errors. You can also upload documents from your computer or cloud storage. Bundle multiple files into a single envelope, making it easier for recipients to review and sign everything at once. Bulk send helps you send the same document to multiple people at once. Each signer gets their own copy to sign, reducing manual effort. Send via SMS lets your signer get a text message and sign instantly from their phone, speeding up the signing process. You can ask signers to upload files along with their signature, like a photo ID or a document. It saves you the hassle of chasing them later. Control your workflow with signing order. Choose whether recipients sign one after another or all at once, ensuring the right sequence and a smooth signing experience. Keep others in the loop, like a manager or colleague, by adding them as CC. They can view the document without needing to sign. To build trust with signers, you can add a personalized subject line and message. Along with your brand logo, this helps your email stand out and feel more genuine. At this stage, Signeasy keeps your documents secure with two key protections. Two-step verification authenticates the signer by sending a one-time passcode, ensuring only the right person opens the document. Then, the Trust Seal adds a secure digital certificate, protecting your documents from tampering and ensuring their integrity. On the document, you can drag and drop the fields you need, such as signatures, initials, dates, and checkboxes, placing them exactly where they belong. And if you need to make a last-minute change, no problem. Edit the document right on the spot without starting over. Signeasy helps you review contracts faster. Get a quick summary, extract key terms, locate them in the document, and stay ahead of deadlines by setting reminders for future dates. Signeasy AI also lets you ask questions about the document. You can find what you need without digging through pages. Once everything is in place, confidently send the document for signature. Track your contracts in real time. Your left panel organizes contracts by status: pending, in progress, completed, or lapsed. That way, you always know exactly where every contract stands. You can also see who's next to sign and send manual reminders with a click, so nothing slips through. You can set your notification preferences to decide what you and your signers get alerted about, like when a document is opened, signed, or updated. That way, everyone stays informed. Even after sending a document, the Edit feature gives you control over your workflow. You can update signer details, include new signers, or add or remove fields without starting from scratch. Completed contracts are stored in a centralized, secure space. You can search, access, and download them anytime, complete with a court-admissible audit trail. You can also link Signeasy to your cloud storage, so completed contracts are saved automatically to your workspace. Manage and secure your contracts with ease. Owners and admins can easily invite teammates and give them the right roles and permissions, so everyone has access to what they need, and sensitive information stays protected. TeamSpace gives your team a shared workspace to manage contracts together. You can view all team documents, track progress, and stay on top of what's happening. Signeasy allows you to turn your most used contracts into templates. You can add signer roles, set signing order, request attachments, and set up fields, all in advance. Then, share these templates with your team so everyone's using the right and approved version. The Reports dashboard gives you a clear view of usage across the team, helping you understand adoption and identify opportunities to streamline workflows. Admins can turn on two-factor authentication for the entire team, enable single sign-on for easier and safer access, and review audit logs to track all changes made at an account level. Signeasy follows global security and privacy laws, so your documents stay compliant wherever you do business. You don't need the complexity of CLM to manage contracts. That's why thousands of teams trust Signeasy to manage theirs. Get started today.